How to fix Taco Bell app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, Taco Bell, and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down. Navigate to the option of General. Head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Now over here, you're going to find different apps that are installed in a device. Find the app Taco Bell. After you find it, open it. Now click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Uploading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If these two solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is apply solution 3. That is, you will need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of Delete app. You're gonna get the pop-up. Click on Delete app for the confirmation. The app will be deleted. Once you delete this app, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Taco Bell. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Taco Bell app not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.